Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Sanallah. Today I came with another helpful video. From this video you can easily bypass your two-factor from your Facebook account. You can easily bypass login code from your Facebook account, and you can easily use your Facebook account without any issues. So first of all, you just have to open your Facebook account in a browser. I will prefer to use Facebook desktop to apply this method. Enter your password to continue so we can further proceed. So we are getting to our account and we are stuck on two-factor authentication required. So you don't need to put any code, just simply click on need another way to authenticate. Just click on this option, and now you can see the lots of options are here, but you don't need to worry about this. Just click on other options and just click on submit a request to Facebook. Now you have to enter your all the details like your name, your phone number, required issues, explain what issues you are facing, and your identity card or school card, any computerized card, but there should be your date of birth and your name on the computerized card. So let's write the ID name. It should be match as your computerized card. Your number, there should be country code in this field. Select your required issue. So I'm just selecting other, then I will explain what happened to my account. Hi Facebook team. So guys, you just have to write a good description like what you are facing. Write full thing that you faced and your issues. So guys, you just have to write a full appeal to get back your account. So here I just wrote a simple appeal to get my account. Let's see. Then you just have to submit your ID. Just click on the choose file, and then you just have to select the your ID from the desktop. So it's uploading. It's uploaded. Just click on the send button. It will take a couple of time to restore, so because of COVID, so it will take some days or some hours to restore your account. So just click on OK button. After some minutes you can check your email to maybe sometimes I record some accounts in some minutes. So let's check our email. Maybe we restored. So we did not receive any email, so you just have to wait, and then a couple of hours or couple of days you will receive an email that your account has been recovered, and you don't need to enter any code after this confirmation. So I did not receive any email. So I received email from facebook.com. I submitted request for the two-factor issue, and I explained that I don't even have the two-factor login code to open my account. So I request, then Facebook send me this email. Thank you for submitting your ID. So let's open. Let me tell you one thing. After some hour I received this email, so I'm making a video after one day. So let's open this email. So as you can see here, they give me a temporary password and a link. From the link I can easily log in. So just go to the link and let's see what happened. So guys, here I just opened this link and they said it's showing me to save browser or don't save. So just click on the save browser and click continue. So here, as you can see, again a pop-up message here, confirm access to your account, your login codes are sent to, do you still have access to at least one of these numbers? You just click to no. So finally it says your account is unlocked. So here you have to add a new number, and then after providing your number they will send you a code to your number, and then boom, your account will be unlocked. So this is really a live video for you, and you can see that it's 100% working as well. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up, like, subscribe, and also comment to this video. Thank you very much.